I do feel humbled and daunted by what's ahead, but I also feel proud and exhilarated at the prospect of leading this great political party into the next election. I will do my best to be a consultative and collegial leader.
Why shouldn't I be an Iron Man in my own way?
Parties don't work when people just announce what they're doing and expect everyone else to follow. I will not be that kind of a leader.
There was a referendum tomorrow between Budgie smugglers and boardies. I think I'll be voting for boardies.
I really am not frightened of an election on this issue.